Dear students, like this I have solved the example here. First of all, I have drawn the point A. It is AB is the height of the lighthouse. AD is the line of observation. Now like this, BC is the distance of lighthouse from the ship, and ship is standing at the distance of X. So we have to find at which distance ship is standing from the lighthouse. It is the person is making angle of depression 60 degree. So like this we have written, let AB is the height of the house. AB is 90 meter. BC we have to find. Theta is given now 60 degree. So we have to take the value of tan theta, that is opposite side upon adjacent side. Tan 60 is equal to AB upon BC. Now value of tan 60 will come from the trigonometric table ratio. We have to see tan 60 is under root 3 is equal to 90 is the height of lighthouse, and it is given AB is 90 meters, and BC we have to find. We'll shift BC here and under root 3 here. So we have to cancel this under root sign. So simultaneously by rationalization we will cancel this under root sign, and this under root 3 will multiply, and this under root 3 and under root 3 will multiply with each other. In rationalization they will cancel the root sign, and only square root of that term is coming 3. So we will cancel the 90 by 3, 3 1 the 3, 3 3 the 9, 3 0 the 0. So like this situation comes, BC is equal to 30 into under root 3. BC is equal to 30 into 1.73. This value is already given in the question. Under root 3 is equal to 1.73. Now BC's value is what? 51.93. We have to multiply this term, and the distance from the lighthouse, the ship is having distance from the lighthouse is what? 51.90 meters. This we have find. So we'll see the second example, the third example just now. Now question number 3 is like this. Two buildings are facing each other on a road of width 12 meters. That means what? Width of the road is what? 12 meters. From the top of the first building, which is 10 meters in height. So we have to understand the question which is given in word format. We have to prepare the diagram, and according to that diagram we have to find the required things. 10 meters height angle of 10 meters height of first building. Angle of elevation of the top of the second is found to be 60 degree. What is the height of the second building? Now two buildings are facing each other. Just we have to show like this. Of same height. First we will show like this. This is the first building and this is the second building. So road is in between these two buildings. One building is slightly bigger in height. From the top of this building we have to give the name, that is A, B, D, E, and here we have given the name C. Now when any person is standing here on the top of this building, and he has to look on the top of or top terrace of the next building which is in front of that building, then he has to be shown by angle of elevation. So angle of elevation is like this, arrow should be upper side, and it is making angle of elevation 60 degree. So simultaneously we have to find the distance of CE, and we are already know the distance of ED. How we know? Because first building is BD, it is having 10 meters. It is having 10 meter in height. So it is showing that this is a rectangle, or we can say that this is showing the diagram of rectangle. So in front of each other, in front side of rectangle is also same or congruent, that is 10 meters. Also the distance of the road is also given 12 meters. 12 meter is the width of this road, that is BD. The distance between two buildings is what? 12 meters. So simultaneously this A is also 12 meters by the properties of rectangle. Now we have to find the value of C, that is opposite side of the theta. Now while solving the example, we write like this solution. Let the diagram is showing AB is height of first building, that is 10 meters. Therefore AB is equal to 10 meter as rectangle ABC ABDE is a rectangle. If AB is 10, then BE is also 10, and if BD is 12 meters, then A is also 12 meters. Now dear students, keep in your mind this 12 meter is useful for finding the CE. How? So they have to write the angle, that is theta, is given 60 degree angle of elevation. Therefore adjacent side is given, opposite side is asked. Therefore we will take tan theta is equal to 60 degree. So tan 60 we have to find. Tan 60 is equal to opposite side is what? CE divided by adjacent side is what? AE. CE upon E. Then the value of tan 60, we have to look in trigonometric table ratio. Tan 60 is showing the value under root 3. Now value of CE is also, we have to find CE, and value of AE is given 12. So similarly we have to find the value of this CE. So we'll see. Now we have to find the value of CE. Now shift this 12 here. 12 under root 3. It will look like. Now we have to find the value of second building. Second building total height is what? CD. CD is equal to CE plus ED. So this total height of second building is what? CD, and CE plus ED will give CE. Though CE's value is 12 under root 3 plus ED's value is what? 10. So this much is the height of the second building, that is CD. So like this we have to solve the example. Now we'll see fourth example. Now fourth question from the exercise number 6.2. Two poles of heights 18 meters and 7 meters are erected on a ground. The length of the wire fastened at their tops is 22 meters. 22 meters. Find the angle made by the wire with horizontal. So from given information we have to draw the diagram, and from the diagram we have to understand which thing is asked. Now dear students, they have given the value of Wire also they have given the height of, length is also given, height of the poles are also given. They have asked the angle, that is theta is asked to find. So first of all we have to prepare the diagrams regarding given information. First of all we'll draw two poles. One is 18 meters, that's why it will be in height like this, 18 meters. Now from this the horizontal line I have to draw, and this is also we have to join. Now the pole, first pole's top is there and second pole's top is there. Now we have to join this by a wire, and we have to show like this. First one is join, tied. We have tied the wire at the top of these two poles. Now we have to give the names for this, same names A, B, D, E, C. Like before example, we have given the name. Now in which they have asked the theta angle, how much angle with the horizontal is made by the wire. Now this will be 90 degree, this is theta, and the lengths are given. Height of first building is what, 18, total height is what, 18 meters, and this is what, 7 meters. So dear students, we have to understand that the length of the wire is also given 22 meters. The two things among the three values are given. Among the three values, two values are given. We will find the third value. First of all, we have to find EC's value. We will subtract EC from CD. So first of all, we will write like this solution. Let AB is a one pole having height 7 meter. AB is equal to 7 meter. Second, CD is 18 meters. Second pole. And we have to find EC. EC is equal to CD minus ED. Now dear students, here is also one rectangle is formed. So by the properties of rectangle, the front side of the rectangles are congruent to each other. If AB is 7, then ED is also 7 meters. So we have to subtract this 7 from the 18. 18 minus 7, it will give 11. So CE is 11 meter. We will write like this, CE is 11 meter. Now the thing is that we have to understand in trigonometric form, theta is given. In front of theta, this is the opposite side, and in front of 90 degree, this is the hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse, this is opposite side of theta. Then which formula we have to use? The such formula which contains hypotenuse and opposite side. So we will use the sine theta instead of tan theta, because tan theta is having formula opposite upon adjacent. Now adjacent side is not given, hypotenuse is given. So sine theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Like this we have to write sine theta is equal to, what is opposite side? CE upon hypotenuse is what? AC. So values of CE and AC are given. CE is what? 11 and AC is what? 22. So sine theta 11 upon 22 will get cancelled. 11 1 the 11, 11 2 the 22. So sin theta 1 upon 2, which angle is showing sin theta 1 upon 2, we have to find from the trigonometric table ratio. Now if we see in the trigonometric table ratio, sin 30 is 1 upon 2. Therefore theta is what? 30 degree. This is the answer for this question. So we'll see fifth and sixth example in next video. You have to practice for these examples. Among these 4 examples, any one example will ask for board. So be prepared for this, and in your school exams also these word problems from 6.2 are very important.